In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or a S26 Ultra. Now for this video, I'm using these Bluetooth earbuds to connect them to our phone, and the process is the same even if you have Bluetooth headphones or even AirPods. Now to pair your Bluetooth headphones, AirPods, or earbuds to your Samsung phone, first of all, on your phone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the connection settings, just tap on Bluetooth and enable the toggle for Bluetooth. And after you've done that, now just grab your headphones and power on your headphones. Now as you can see, our earbuds are already turned on. Now just enter your earbuds into pairing mode. Now this can be different on different headphones. Some headphones might have a button to enter into pairing mode, and other headphones can enter into pairing mode by just turning them on. Just check the user manual of your exact headphones to enter your headphones into pairing mode. For example, our earbuds enter into pairing mode if we take them out from the case. As you can see, they are blinking, which indicates that they are into pairing mode. Now once you enter your headphones into pairing mode, then tap on Scan over here, and under Other Devices, you will find the name of your headphones. Now just tap on it and select Pair. And after you do that, then you will pair your Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, or AirPods to your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.